In the world of horology, few dials are as iconic or as misunderstood as the California dial. Born from wartime necessity, it combined Roman numerals on top, Arabic on the bottom, a simple but brilliant solution for legibility in the chaos of battle. This design became a legend, and Panerai, the Italian Navy's trusted supplier, made it their own. Now that legend returns with a fascinating twist. Meet the Panerai Radiomir 8 Giorni PAM 02088, a Lunar New Year special that reimagines the California dial, replacing the Arabic numerals on the lower half with Chinese characters. It's a respectful nod to both Panerai's history and Chinese culture, a Chinafornia blend that's never been seen before. The 45mm cushion-shaped case is finished in Panerai's unique Brutino steel, hand-brushed to reveal a vintage patina beneath a dark PVD layer. It's big, bold, and unapologetically Radiomir. Under the domed sapphire crystal lies a minimalist, sterile dial. Blued hands, beige superluminova, and that classic mix of numerals that made the California dial timeless. Inside beats the in-house caliber P5000, a hand-wound movement with an impressive 8-day power reserve, hence the name 8 Giorni. Limited to just 300 pieces worldwide, the Radiomir 8 Giorni PAM 02088 launches first in China this November, with a global release following early next year. It's a watch that bridges worlds, old and new, east and west, wartime utility and modern artistry, an evolution of an icon that still beats with the heart of history. This is the California dial, Reborn, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen.